idiot! It's time to talk about some Russian death metal. If you know Cannibal Corpse, I mean, who doesn't? This could be the Russian equivalent to the Cannibal Corpse band that is American, brutal, somewhat even technical, but very, very violent death metal. Now, if you want to have a Russian version of it, expect more violence, maybe not so much technicality, but more power and all. Well, screw you. Screw me, I mean. This one is Panichida with the fourth album, Missen's Mutation. So, as I was listening to this one, I was so many times thinking about Cannibal Corpse and the like that I just felt like saying that this is indeed a Russian version of Cannibal Corpse, but not only, like a carbon copy, more about having a similar genre defined by the music that is. So expect somewhat brutality, expect somewhat violence, a little bit technicality, and of course heavy growling, guttural vocals, and riffs that could very well be on a band like Cannibal Corpse and the like. So kind of Americanized death metal with quite a bit of heaviness and, dark atmosphere. Now, I don't know why this band is called here on Metal Archive site as Gothic/death metal, but that might be. I haven't heard these three prior albums by the band. I mean, it was founded already almost 3 decades ago, 1992. And a lot of things have, or might have, changed over the years, given that this band is as old as it is. Now, only 2 albums in the 90s and only 2 albums in 2000 plus. Not exactly the most active or fastest band in the planet, but, it just happens that sometimes life gets into the way. Now, this fourth album came already out 2018, so this is one I had dug out from my backlog, and it features the pretty basic 9 tracks, almost 45 minutes of music. That is very, very basic in terms of like how many bands do releases like that. Now, throughout these 9 tracks, throughout these 42 minutes here, what you will essentially hear is kind of Americanized death metal, but in a Russian way. But let's be honest about it, nothing here indicates that it's from Russia or eastern part of the planet. I mean, this could have come out from any part of the world, that is, where there is electricity and somewhat kind of a decent studio, because this in fact sounds pretty nice, especially when we're talking about those vocals and also guitar and drum sounds. Technical ways, everything is here pretty much right on the spot. So in case you're looking for some kind of a heavier end of death metal and you're ready to spend your well-earned money on that, this will just do the trick and give you the real deal. Now, what is wrong with this album? Basically nothing, except it's not very good. That is, it's way beyond your typical mediocre, meaningless music, but it's not really that good. I mean, there is nothing big time wrong here. It's just, kind of a dark, heavy death metal, what you're supposed to get when we're talking about genre, but nothing really here ticks the boxes. Nothing really here makes you go like, wow, this is the brutal deal I was expecting. So it's much like a music equivalent to what you would find a typical horror movie. It's exactly what you're aiming for, so you didn't get this snore fest, snooze fest, yawning party, but you don't really get like, whoa, I must tell to my brothers, this is the death metal album of a century. So it's kind of a nice, but then again, also quite forgettable in terms of how the music plays out. Like, you have the basic, really heavy sounding riffs and you have those vocals, but then again, you're like, so what? I've heard this 1,000 times before, so why would I spend my money on Panichida in case of, instead of going to Cannibal Corpse or some other really brutal band? Now, it depends from which corner you're coming from. In case you have a big thirst, big hunger for, this kind of death metal, obviously you want to check it out right away and maybe buy it. But in case you're only doing a little bit of a cherry picking, maybe not so much. So it depends once again. I couldn't disagree much more than with this 94% review score here. I mean, this is totally listenable, but once again, quite forgettable either. So there you have it. But don't take my word for that. Check your dose for brutality with the links provided in the description box. And of course, I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you soon with more reviews coming your way.